So now I will be giving you a demo of how to use MOOC. So first of all, जैसे मैंने आपको पहले बताया था, so first of all what we have to do, we have to write here UGC MOOCs. After that, when we will press here, there will be different search results. So what we have to do is, we have to click on the first option, UGC MOOCs. That is a platform by Swayam. So after clicking here, there will be different type of the options. You can see here in the tabs there are different options like home, proposal, courses, Swayam coordinators, workshop and all that. But what we have to do here is, we have to click on course, and after clicking on course we have to click on archives, because in a course there are two type of the options. One option is relating to course, and what is second one is related to the archive. So archive stands for the contents which it has provided us for reference. So there is some range issue. So after clicking archives, there will be different type of the courses which are related to UG courses and PG courses will be displayed. So as per UGC, there are total 86 subjects that are included in PG courses, and in UG courses they have included 222 courses. So accordingly, we have clicked on PG courses. So these are different type of the courses. If you want to see different type of the contents, PDF in PDF format as well as in video format, so we can see this. There are different type of the subjects like corporate law, artificial intelligence, knowledge society and all that. So we can go according to our subjects. For example, we are clicking on topology. So the students whose interest area is topology, they will click here. So the main subject over here is topology. So accordingly, in this subject there are several modules. There is a drop down menu. So accordingly, these are different type of the contents that are included in topology. So whatever we want to see here, so we will be clicking. So we have selected the option new spaces from old one. So after that, further there are two tabs, e-text and self-learning. So the highlighted blue color tab is for e-text. So e-text here stands for PDF format or Word format, means there will be the material which can be printable. You can download it. It can be in a PDF format also. So it will be in text. So you can open it, you can read it, you can take the printout of this, as well as you can download it. So when we click here on open, so this file, PDF file, it will be opened like this. So this is chapter 1 of topology, and it is prepared by Dr. Dibyenju De, who is the associate professor in Department of Mathematics, West Bengal. So in these different modules are there, and each and every concept is very beautifully explained, because there are renowned professors who prepared such type of material with the flow diagrams, and each and every concept will be very much clear to you. So now we will press the back button, and after that, okay, the next tab is related to the self-learning. So this self-learning tab, it is related to the video. If we want to see the video of a particular concept, you can see here. So this is the video content. So by looking at the video, the content will be very much clear to us. So this is the video of 28 minutes. So have a look. So firstly, the information is given, the main subject is given, and which type of the paper is there, who is the instructor, and all information will be provided to you. After that, video will be starting. So this is a 28 minutes video की ड्यूरेशन 28 minutes है and So you watched how beautifully the things are being explained by the renowned professor. So you can see the concept you want and clarify your doubts also very easily. So this is the subject topology. So if you want to go back to the courses, so you have to click here back to courses tab. When you will be clicking here, so the previous window will appear. So here, as we have seen, there were different type of the courses. So as far as your subject is concerned, for example, we are taking here international business or strategic management. So we have choose here strategic management. So there are different type of the modules. The students who have this subject strategic management, they can see most of the contents will be there. Strategy and structure, strategic control, global issue and strategic management is there, strategy implementation is there. So whichever topic you want to see here, just click on that. So first of all, e-text will be appeared. So the text document, in the document format, that particular topic will be explained. So here there is a PDF. So in this PDF, the meaning and concept of strategic implementation will be clarified. So here first of all, the information is given, the paper name and by whom it is prepared, content writer and all that. After that, different outcomes are given. So this is the main content. So this chapter is of 13 pages long. So as you are reading in textbooks, so in the same way it is explained with different type of the diagrams. So you can enhance your knowledge by staying at home. But even then, if the things are not clear to you, so doesn't matter, there are some other sources also, video sources also you can use. So here is the option that is used to take the printout. If you want to take the printout, you can take the printout of this. So अभी हम back चलते हैं. So after going back, we want to clarify our concept more in an effective way. So in that situation, we will click on video, that is self-learning. So when I will be clicking here, there will be a video lecture on strategic implementation. We have read the contents. So firstly, all the informations are given as you have seen in text. These were given. So this is a video that is 27 minutes long, approximately half an hour. So please have a look. So this was the video lecture relating to the strategy implementation subject that we have selected. In strategic management, there are some other contents also. Whatever you want to see, just click on the option and accordingly you can see the contents. After that, if you want to go back to the courses, just click on back to courses. After going back to the courses, you will be on the window which we were earlier. That is the previous window. So there are certain UG courses also. Just now we were looking at the PG courses. So the students who are in undergraduate classes, so according to their level, there are certain type of the subjects. So there are total 222 subjects which are included for undergraduate classes. So accordingly you can see sports administration is also there, intellectual property rights, contemporary India and education is there, e-commerce technology, fundamental of financial management, for example, for commerce students. If you click here, so same accordingly just go to different type of the topics in financial management, financial planning. After that, valuation of security, capital budgeting, internal rate of return, cost of capital, capital structure. For example, capital structure we are choosing. So first of all, you can see the document of this, that is in PDF format. So accordingly, here each and everything is explained. That is capital structure is its theories with the diagrammatical presentation also. So you can see the value of firm and each and every formula. These are made very much clear. So you can take the printout of this. After that, if you want to make the concept more clear, there are certain type of the videos also, but here in this topic it is not there, but in most of the cases videos are included. So we can go back to the courses. So likewise, you can select the area of your interest. You can see different type of the topics and go through it. So I hope that this information is beneficial for you. So at the end, I just want to thank to all of you for your patience hearing. So if there is any type of the query, so you can ask for me anytime. Suggestions are also invited. Queries also I will be trying to handle it. So at the end, I am very much thankful to you. So at the end, I would like to say that it is not the end. This is the new beginning. So we can say that every ending is just a new beginning. So all the best to all of you. Thank you. Thanks a lot.